The thing is, when Gandhi wanted freedom for India, he wanted to kind of make it a big movement, and it was not happening. It was not becoming a mass movement for people. What he did, he said, we would need to bring everyone together into this movement. So one is that, okay, let's fight for the freedom. Fight for the freedom. That's the mindset. He said, no, why not fight from the freedom? Not for the freedom, but from the freedom. What does it mean? It means even today, though we have somebody who's kind of ruling us, but we still have some kind of freedom, some degree of freedom. What freedom we have? The freedom is, what do I eat? I eat or I don't eat. That's the freedom I have, right? Now I will exercise that freedom. He started fasting. He started fasting from that freedom. I have a freedom to wear what I want to wear, right? No, I will not wear product which is come from the foreign country. I will make my own fabric and I'll make my own. Okay, the basic thing every household in India or in the world use is salt. We'll make our own salt. Dandi March. Yes. What is it about? This is about not working for the freedom, working from the freedom. No, I am here to be a happiness coach. Oh, forget about that. Right now, I'm declaring you as a happiness coach. How about this? You don't have to worry about your certification, your learning, and all of it. I declare you as happiness coach right away. So can you start your journey from the happiness rather than for the happiness? Yes. 6 weeks. You don't need to wait. You're already a happiness coach.